my dear friend, Santosh here. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. Okay friends, today we discuss administration society of Vedic period. Okay, Vedic period, administration society, it divided into two parts, Rigvedic period and later Vedic period. Okay, first we discuss Rigvedic period society. Okay, its nature, patriotic society based on family system, joint family system for security, in which both male and female live together. All relatives are called neptra. Okay friends, here are some points that we discuss in this. Okay, first one, nature is classification, woman position, slavery, rituals, fooding, entertainment, clothes and jewelry. Okay, in simple words we say that Rigvedic period society is the early period of Aryan. It shows childhood phase of civilization. The society based on tribal system. It was basically patriotic based society. Family was base of society and it was developed by joint family system in which male and female both family lived together in the house and oldest person was the leader. In simple words we say head of the family. Okay, now classification on the basis of face first of color. Black means Anarya, white means Arya. Face second on the basis of work. Okay, Brahman does yajna, doing yajna and karna by the people. Kshatriya do security, give security their family. Vaishya do agriculture is a specific profession. That time das system is there but not a Shudra. Okay, phase second, Varna system based on work. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra. First time in Rigvedic period, 10th Mandal, Purush Sukta, all types of rights they have. Right to property, right to education. For education, Upnayan Sanskar hota tha in all Varnas. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Okay, now we discuss in simple words. Okay, this period was a primary phase, so that in this Varna system was there in three phases. At the initial level, Varna means colors. It was related to black and white means Aryan and Anarya. In this period, after time image, three Varnas there, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya. Vaishya. In last phase of Rigvedic period, we get the information about Sudra class. This information given in Parsha Tan Mandal, it means Varna system based on work. There was no discrimination and provide all rights equal to all people that time. Position of women. Position of women was very good because they have all types of rights. Okay, right to education, Vidushi. Apala, Ghosha, Sukta, Vishwara, Nebari. Okay, right to Upnayan and right to merit right. Those women are not married are called Amuja. And Niyog system for Putra Prapti. Okay, Niyog system is that when the woman is widow or not married, they make relation with any person for Putra Prapti. They have the right that time. Okay, now we discuss in simple words. Okay, position of women was respectful, provided equal rights to all. Right to education, right to entry in Sabha and Samiti, right to property, right to all types of rituals. Niyog system there, they had right to or not to marriage. These females are called Amuja in this period, not running child marriage like Sati system and widow remarriages. Okay, now second one, slavery system. Slavery system was running in this period, both type of male plus female. They were not involved in agriculture. Donation, they donate slaves to Rishi. Okay, sanskar. In marriage, there no discrimination in marriage. Both Amulam and Pratilom both are recognized. Amulom are in Amulom they are high caste boy and low caste girl. In Pratilom, high caste girl, low caste boy. Okay, Atithi called Gohanta. Education, sanskar, Upnayan. Okay, food habit, non-veg and veg. Okay, cow flesh they not eat. Cow called Aghanya in Rigvedic period. Okay, veg, barley, milk and product making from milk. Kharamba, jowar, sattu and curd mixture called kharamba. Okay, drinks, somras and sura. Somras for devtas and sura for common peoples. Okay friends, now we discuss in simple words. Okay, there are many evidences to give a female and male slave to Rishi Muni. In this period, many types of rituals are running. Marriage was most important ritual generally. Monogamy are running, but some evidences are polygamy also there. Fooding habit was both veg and non-veg, but basically they are vegetarian. They were used barley and milk product. They were wear basically cotton clothes. They were used vas, adivas, neeli. Okay, entertainment. They do dance, music, hunting, gambling. Clothes, नीवी मीन्स कमर से नीचे जो पहनते हैं. वास मीन्स अंडरगारमेंट. आदिवास मीन्स ओढ़नी. ओके, ज्वेलरी ऑर्नामेंट्स. निस्क रुकमा कॉल्ड नेकलेस. ओके फ्रेंड्स, now we discuss in simple words. Okay, in this period get the information about ornaments like nisk and satman. For entertainment they were used many type of activities like chariot carrier, horse race, wrestling, hunting and gambling. Okay friends, later Vedic period society we discuss in our next video. Okay, thank you very much for watching my videos. Okay, see you in my next video. Okay, bye bye, see you again.